How to add custom meta tag in Wix 2022. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to this section, that is page and menu. Click on that, and then you're going to go on the sites and menu. Under this there is a home option. There is these three dots. You have to click on them, and then you have to go on the settings option. In the settings option, you have to scroll forward and go to advanced SEO option, and over here there are robots meta tags. You have to click on that, and then you have to scroll down to additional tags. Then you have to again scroll down and add new tag. As you click on add new tag, you will have to put the HTML code for your meta tag over here, and now you can just put a customized meta tag in your Wix website. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.